Good day viewers. Today we're discussing the all-time classic self-help book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Released in 1937, Think and Grow Rich has sold over 100 million copies worldwide, making it one of the highest-selling books of the 20th century. The core idea is simple yet profound: the power of your mind is the ultimate determinant of your destiny. Whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve, through persistence, self-discipline and targeted action. To unlock the secret of riches, Hill identified 13 principles exhibited by over 500 successful people he had personally studied and interviewed. The very first principle is having a clear and specific goal. All wealthy people know exactly what they want and how they will get it through a definite plan. They also surround themselves with allies through the mastermind, and discipline their thoughts and behaviors through self-discipline. The book urges readers to dare to dream big. Your vision and goals are the first step to anything great. But vision without action is useless. You must take action inspired by the 13 principles Hill shares. True wealth comes not from what you have, but from what you are. The more knowledge, skills, and relationships you develop, the more value you can deliver and the richer you can become. Your abundance starts with a burning desire and a definite plan. That's a brief overview of the messages in Think and Grow Rich. I hope this inspires you to read this classic book for yourself and apply Hill's timeless principles for success. Here are 7 top quotes from Think and Grow Rich. Number 1. Definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all achievement. Number 2. Specialized knowledge, plus imagination, will bring endless opportunities to the reader. Number 3. The world has the habit of making room for the man whose actions show that he knows where he is going. Number 4. No man is poor who possesses the riches of definiteness of purpose. Number 5. Action is the real measure of our understanding. Number 6. Burn the bridges behind you. Once you have made a decision, let go. Do not cling to secondary securities in reserve. Number 7. Concentrate all of your efforts on the creation of plans for the accumulation of money. Discard all elementary backstroking ideas. 5 key lessons of Think and Grow Rich. Number 1. Definiteness of purpose. Having a clear, written goal is essential for success. You need to know exactly what you want. Number 2. Mastermind alliance. You must associate with others to benefit from their experience, education, and counsel. Valuable ideas can come from bouncing thoughts off others. Number 3. Applied faith. Have an unwavering belief in yourself and your purpose. When the obstacles come, keep going through sheer force of applied faith. Number 4. Going the extra mile. Do more than you're paid for. Most people do only what they have to do, while champions are constantly looking for more responsibility. Going the extra mile ensures success. Number 5. Sweat equity. No one will work on your dreams as hard as you. To achieve big goals requires long hours of labor, toil and effort. You must work as if your very survival depended on it. Diligence and perseverance conquer all. I hope this brief summary has inspired you to read Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich for yourself. Hill's teachings and principles have influenced countless leaders and entrepreneurs over the past century, and his wisdom remains timeless. The power ultimately resides within you. Your thoughts shape your reality, your goals determine your actions, and your actions define your destiny. So, dare to dream big, start with a definite purpose and plan, and then apply Hill's principles with persistence and discipline. The riches you seek are not outside, they wait within, ready to be awakened by you. So go now with my very best wishes, take hold of your vision, and begin the noble journey from poverty to power, from rags to riches, that begins first, and most importantly, within the mind. Think and grow rich, my fellow viewers. The world needs your brilliance. This has been What Books to Read. Until next time.